In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a MetaMask cryptocurrency wallet. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel and drop this video a like. Let's get ready. Once you have MetaMask open on your browser extension, whether it's Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or whatever it is you want to use, you want to click the drop down arrow under your accounts and click here or click add account or hardware wallet. In this case, you have three options to add a new account, to import an account, or to add a hardware wallet. If you click the first option, add a new account, you can name the account and then click create. Now, as you can see, if I click down the drop down arrow, I have three accounts, and this account that I just created, named 000, has successfully been created. The other way to click add accounts or hardware wallet, let's click option number 2, which is import account. Now this is different because it says imported accounts won't be associated with your MetaMask. Set recovery seed phrase, etc. And you can select the type of the accounts that you want to import as far as the private key or the JSON file. Then here it's asking you if you want to enter your private key, and you can click import. The third option is to add a hardware wallet. You have a list of 4 different hardware wallets that is supported by MetaMask: Ledger, Trezor, Lattice, or Cubase, and you can click whatever it is that you want. It's going to ask you to connect your ledger, to buy now, or there's a tutorial. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.